In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add the highlights to here. So here's the before, after. So I'm gonna select all three. I'm gonna delete it for now. So let's go down here, create a new layer. I'm gonna select B for brush, and let's go up here, make sure hardness all the way down. Size, let's do about 200, maybe a little bit bigger. So about 400. And let's select our foreground color, the sample color right here. Click OK. And I'm going to go ahead and brush it in. Now I'm going to do Control T. And let's bring that down. So kind of like that. Now we're going to rotate it to match this. So I'll say about right there. And I'm going to move it up just a little bit. Maybe bring it down. All right, now let's go here. Change the blending mode to linear dodge. So that's before, after. Now I'll make a copy. And go ahead. Bring it down here to this one. Again, I'm going to bring the size down, just rotate it. Same thing for here. And this one, maybe bringing the opacity, say about 80, 82. All right, so here's the before, after.